Using charts and diagrams is an effective way to learn. Sometimes your teachers will give you charts that you will need to be able to label. Sometimes you will find that it is much easier to remember information that you have read by converting it to a chart. For this part of the culminating, you will be expected to use charts and diagrams to show that you have learned a minimum of 75 facts from this semester's courses. To get ready for this, you will need your binders, your textbooks, and Post-it notes. Look for charts or diagrams that the teacher already gave you, and look for written information that would be more easily remembered by converting it to a chart or diagram. Now that you know what you need to remember, you need to find copies of the charts and diagrams. You can search on the internet, or you can check to see if we have what you need. We've been keeping copies of charts and diagrams students have used in the past. You can create your own, or you can take a picture with your phone. Just make sure that you know how to print it out. Whichever ways you use, you will need 2 copies of each chart or diagram. One with the answers, and a marking scheme so the person marking will know where the marks come from. One that is blank, with the same marking scheme so that you will remember how many facts you need for that page. If you are beginning with 2 blank sheets, make sure that you write in the answers so that there is a question sheet and an answer sheet. If you have a filled-in copy from the textbook or internet, you will need to make a blank sheet. To do this, you will need whiteout, a glue stick, scissors, and paper. If there isn't too much to delete, use whiteout. But if there is a lot to delete, cut out white paper to stick over the answers. The day before the test, make sure your answer sheets and blank sheets are in the same order. Hand in your blank sheets to the teacher, and study. On the day of the test, give the answer sheets to your teacher and write your test. Remember, to get 100% on this part of the culminating, you need to get 75 facts correct. So it makes sense to have more than 75 facts on your test in case you get some of them wrong. But if you get more than 75 facts correct, then you will get more than 100% on this test, and that will help improve your course mark. Be proactive, and you will do well.